Avoid common mistakes with look back. Master your phrasal verbs. Hello, English learners. Welcome to another exciting episode of our Master Your Phrasal Verbs series. Today, we're delving into a very popular and often misused phrasal verb, look back. It's commonly used, but often misunderstood. Let's clear up those misunderstandings today. The phrase, look back, is a phrasal verb that means to think about something that happened in the past. It usually has a reflective or nostalgic connotation. Let's consider an example. When I look back on my childhood, I feel very happy. This means when I think about my childhood, I feel very happy. A frequent mistake learners make is confusing look back with literal interpretations. For example, physically turning around to look at something behind you. However, in most contexts, look back has a figurative meaning, focusing on memory and reflection, rather than physical direction. Another misconception is trying to separate the look and back in a sentence. For instance, I looked my childhood back. This is incorrect. The phrase, look back, needs to stay together for it to keep its intended meaning. Instead, the correct usage should be, I look back at, on my childhood. The look and back should remain together, with at or on, introducing the subject of your reflection. Another point to remember is the form of the verb. Some learners often use looked back for present situations, which is incorrect. You should say, I often look back on my high school days, not, I often looked back on my high school days, unless you're referring to a past habit. And that's all for today. Remember, look back is about reflecting on the past, not physically turning around. So next time you're reminiscing, make sure to use look back correctly. Keep practicing, and you'll master this phrasal verb in no time. Remember, mastering a language takes practice and time. But don't worry, we're here every step of the way. Until next time, keep learning and keep practicing. Happy English learning!